Welcome to this overview of the quarantine function in the time-lock documentation wellness screening program. If you've been told to self-quarantine and provide daily updates using the app, tap Facility, find the facility where you normally work, then look for home quarantines in the list of locations. There should be an entry that's been created for you on the list. Look for your name or ID number. Open the certification, then choose the first photo box on the list. You'll use the other boxes for your entries in the coming days. Once you've filled all the visible boxes, tap Access Additional Team Screenings to open up additional slots. Take your photo using the device's camera, then read and answer the attestation that pops up. Then add your temperature, name, ID number, and phone number. Be sure to review the Quarantine Care and Guidelines section on the homepage to learn how to accurately take an oral temperature. Next, review the medical symptoms and risk factors. Tap the green toggle to change any necessary items. If you have other symptoms not on this list, like loss of taste, runny nose, stomach cramps, or any other physical symptom, then change the toggle for Other to red. If you do have any red toggles for symptoms or exposure, you should consult with a healthcare provider. Your photo will be watermarked with the details you entered, plus a time, date, and GPS stamp. All readings are locked into the document and can't be edited. You'll see a padlock appear on your photo slot, indicating that your information has been securely stored. Be sure to verify that your ID number appears under the photo slot. Only administrators have access to photos and records stored in the system. Be sure to tap Save to return to the list of shifts and securely store your entry. Then go back to the home screen and tap Upload to Server. This way, your supervisor or healthcare provider will be able to monitor your progress in their copy of the app. Remember, this screening information is being collected with your consent to maintain a safe work, school, or public environment. For more support, documentation, and more information about the Certified Wellness Program, visit COVID-19wellnessscreening.com.